Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajaxx G here, and today this is the third video in this series. We're going to do user input. So today we're going to ask the user for their name and print it below. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is import a utility called scanner. So we're going to do import java.util.scanner, right? So this will access the scanner class and allow us to get user input from the keyboard. So scanner, we're going to do input. You can name this whatever you want. It could be poop. We're going to do new scanner. And then we're going to do system.in. So this is going to take in the user input. So input will hold whatever the user puts in. That's what the purpose of this is for. So now let's ask the user for their name. I'm going to put print ln because we want a new line today. And we're going to do, what is your name? Please enter below. So now we've printed to the console to ask the user what their name is. So now we're going to allow them to type in. So we're going to do system. There's a few ways you can do this. I'm going to show you 2 ways and you can choose whichever one you want. System.out.print ln because we want it to be on a new line. We're going to do the variable that scanner is holding, so input, right? Input, yeah, there we go. I hate that this does this. Input dot next line, and we're gonna have a parentheses, open and close parentheses right next to it. So this means that this is the method that is going to be accessed to do this for us. Okay, so we're gonna hit run. What is your name? Please enter below. So here I'm going to say Ajaxx G, and then it's going to print to the console what I put in. So that is one way that you can write it. Another way is you could declare a variable of type string, because the next line is for string. For integers, it would be next int, next double, so on and so forth for the other data types. So we can put it up here or below scanners, whatever one we want. So we're going to do string name because that's what we're going to take in. And we're going to just declare it. And under here, we're going to do name equals, right? Input. So we're going to do our variable name dot next line. So now it's going to read this and it's going to store it in the console. So if I ran it now, you will not see my name printed on the screen a second time. So if I run it now, it says, what is your name? Please enter below. I'm going to do Ajaxx. And nothing prints out because I didn't do another system out print line. So it's not going to show to the console, but it is stored in memory. Okay. So let's uncomment this. So when you comment something out, I'm sorry, just so you know, this means the console will not read this. This is wiped away essentially. It's just going to read lines 1 through 19 and not see 13. Okay, so we're going to uncomment this and we're going to just put the word name. Oh my goodness. Sorry. We're going to just put name. So now, once this runs this time, you will see Ajaxx G on the screen. So we're going to hit run. What is your name? Please enter below. I'm going to do Ajaxx G again. And now you see it. So those are the 2 ways that you can have the user's information print to the screen. You can either ask the question and right below do another system out and just do input.next line and it's going to print. Or you can declare a variable up here, type name, Then down here you would do name, take the variable name, dot input next line, and then you have to use another system out because that's the only way it's going to print to the console. If I block this out again and run again, my name will be saved in memory, but it will not be printed to the console, as you see here again. So this is your third tutorial. This is how you do user input. Next, we're going to build a small store using math operations, user inputs, and variables. So the next video is going to be a quick video on math operations, and then the next video will be our first small program of building a store. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. This is Ajaxx G here. Ajaxx out.